On December 8, 1980, several hours before Lennon's fatal shooting, Leibovitz had a photo session with him for Rolling Stone. She had initially tried to get a picture with just Lennon alone, as Rolling Stone wanted, but Lennon insisted that both he and Yoko Ono be on the cover. Leibovitz then tried to recreate something like the kissing scene from the couple's Double Fantasy album cover, shot by Kishin Shinoyama, a picture Leibovitz loved. She had Lennon remove his clothes and curl up next to Ono on the floor. Leibovitz recalls,
"He curled up next to her, and it was very, very strong." You couldn't help but feel that he was cold, and he looked like he was clinging on to her. I think it was amazing to look at the first Polaroid, and they were both very excited. John said, "You've captured our relationship exactly. Promise me it'll be on the cover." I looked him in the eye and we shook on it.
Leibovitz was the last person to photograph Lennon professionally. He was shot and killed 5 hours later. But there was another photographer who was actually the last one to photograph the living John Lennon. It was amateur photographer Paul Goresh, who shot a sequence of photos outside the Dakota building, notably one that captures Lennon signing an autograph for his future murderer, Mark David Chapman. Another, taken just as Lennon was stepping into his limousine, is considered the absolute final photo of him alive, though it is grainy due to the camera's flash failing.